So talking about the first shade right here is from Miss McClare. Miss McClare? Miss Claire. Sorry. So I know it's quite pricey and it's quite on the high-end lipstick. You do not need to doubt on it. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Prakriti. So today's video is all about the top 5 pink shades that I'm gonna show you, and this is a kind of recommendation plus my top favorites to recommend to you all right there. And somewhere I know you guys love watching this kind of lipstick shades showing videos and swatches going on right there that I often do on my channel. So I came up with another pink one. Now this is something, the pink shade itself is a very debatable one because I, being a brown skin girl, never end up really go to grab a pink shade lipstick right there. So if I am showing you this, my top 5 favorite ones that are my favorite, okay, no matter what, I know you wanna look good too in them. And after trying a lot of shades right there available on the market, these are my top 5. So I have really tried and tested a lot, then only I'm coming up here. So that's with the point right there. It's very hot and humid right there in Kolkata, but never mind, I will be showing all the swatches. And I have done a very bare minimum makeup right there on my face. Hardly I have wear any foundation because first it's very hot and humid, and second I need to show you the exact swatch color, how it looks on your bare face. So somewhere in between we are there, good to go. Now I will quickly start. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I do makeup content videos and hauls on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe it to see more such videos. So without any further delay, now let's quickly jump into the video. So talking about the first shade right here is from Miss Claire, and I am doing a lipstick video without showing a Miss Claire product, then it will be very much non-safi for me, because so right back in the days when I had very less pocket money to spend on makeup, I used to buy from Miss Claire, and this is one such brand which has a nice formulation, nice color in a very bare minimum affordable price range then. So I really love them, and from the Miss Claire range, I love the SMLC range. So that stands for the soft matte lip cream. That formulation and that shade ranges I love the most. And if you haven't seen my top 10 SMLC, the link will be provided in the description box. It contains all the browns and pinks and everything from the range itself. But then if I have to choose my top 5, this shade number 62 have to be must there. So let me try and show it to you all how it looks. So this is how the color is. Just you can see how beautiful the formulation is, somewhere similar to the powder kiss, the powder kiss liquid lip colors then, but I know they are very much high range. But if you want to really dupe of the MAC powder kiss liquid lip color, I think SMLC gonna do that, because this is such comfortable formulation. At the same time, it's really hide and conceals every choppy and your lips getting dehydrated sometimes, so it heals everything right there. Not heal matlab it conceals rather to say. So this is such a beautiful shade, and I have almost ended up finishing it, and that shows how much I go up to this lipstick right there every day, whenever I need, whenever I want to have those pink color right on my lips. So this is one such color. I really love it. I think what you guys say, see how beautiful the color is. I just love it. Okay, so this is the first shade and one of the most beautiful pink shade right there, that is such affordable price. It's a stunning one. So this is my first recommendations from the pink shades right there. It's called the shade number 62. It's very, there is no fancy name written to it, just a number, the 62, that's it. And the formulation is beautiful and the shade is amazing. That's it. So moving to the next one right now. This is from the Lakme. Surprisingly, I ended up using Lakme's product a long way back, but recently I got hands on, and this mauve color, it's a very pretty mauve pinky color right there, and I really love it. So the shade is called 14 and Mauve Party, and this one is just amazing as before the one I have shown, but the color is a little bit different, more of a mauvish tone than the chatak pink and all that don't really end up liking good on brown skin girl then, and I really love it. I'll quickly show you how the shade actually looks like. Amazing. See how beautiful the mauve shade is. Amazing. Absolutely love this one. This is one such color that एकदम लगाने से your face and your skin tone brightens up really naturally, that beautiful. This is one such shade, and do consider it buying, and it's on the matte range, and लगाने के थोड़े देर बाद ही you will be feeling that really matte finish that it puts on your lids right here. You can see. Okay, it's very hot and humid here right in Kolkata. I can't just stop complaining, but I have to do my job as well. So ignore. What I can help you with is showing you beautiful shades and making your summer days a little better and brighter. So this is how it looks like. I really love it. How beautiful the color is. Can you see? Even on your bare face, wearing nothing, no makeups on, summers are better having just a very good shade matched lip color right there, and for a brown skin, of course. So it's called the 14 Matte Party. I will be providing all the names and the links in the description box below, as well as it will be there on the screen itself. So yeah, I tell you, I am so proud of my recommendations. I just can't tell you. I am so proud of my collection as well. Okay, so what's better than this shade right here? I just absolutely love the shade, and that's why it is in my top 5, the most favorite one in the pink shades. And you can see how beautiful it looks. It just brightens up your whole face, whole skin color as well, and so khila khila aap dikhte ho. And even how many pinks we brown girl end up liking then, but these are, when I'm telling you, I'm repeatedly telling you that these are my top 5. You need to try them, and this is a very much affordable one. The MRP for this is 10,349, but even on Nykaa and Tia Beauty, on Purple, you often get discounts, and you can grab it for much more cheaper than it actually priced. So yeah, this is a very beautiful and very mauvish pinkish shade that I have for you guys to share with you, and mind it, buy for yourself. I know you will absolutely love it. So yeah. Okay, so moving to the third one right here. This one is my, I like it, but then I have days I like it. So this is a very beautiful pink in color, but the thing is that the formulation is not that great. So it's a matte one. This is from Nykaa, and it's called the All Day Matte Nykaa, and the shade is Insta Influencer. I don't know, I got a name in my head, but yeah, if you know. So it's called the Insta Influencer, and this is how the pink shade look like. Let me swatch it on my lips and then tell you all, then really talk to you what I'm actually talking about. Then only you can understand. But yeah, it's a very beautiful pink. Nonetheless, the formulation is something it's really debatable on. I like mattes, I really do love it, but there are some mattes which does not fulfill my expectations that well. It is one of them. I know it is looking very bright pink. Let it settle and mattifies. Then you will be seeing the actual color of it. So give it 2 minutes and let it dry, and then the actual color of this one will show and pop up. So yeah. Okay, I know I told you. See, it might look really threatening at the beginning, but when I give you a recommendation, you really don't need to have any doubt on me. Doubt leave the chat, that thing. You have to trust me anyway. So this is a very beautiful pink color right then. But only problem, the problem I'm having is that with the formulation it has. I'm very much, it will be a honest review. It's called the Nykaa All Day Matte Fine. I understand it's supposed to be very much mattifying lipstick right then, but somewhere, even after trying so many matte lipstick right there, somewhere I am quite on a scale of 10, I can point it 8 on the formulation. But having said that, the color is stunning. So it's called the Insta Influencer, and yep, this is how the shade looks on me. Let me give you a quick closer look on this so you can have a really nice judge. Okay, so moving to the next shade right there. It's the second last one. It's called the, I have made a separate short video as well, because that much I love this shade right here. It's from MAC. It's a satin finish. The shade is called Tweak right here, and I just love it. It's from, I have bought it last year, maybe last year, I don't exactly remember, but this is from the Shreya Jain collection. I really love how beautifully that whole package was curated. It was something Diwali X Shreya Jain and X MAC season going on, and that time I got hands on, and after that I ended up liking this color so much that I love it. Although I'm not a huge fan of satin finish right there then, but I love this color and I love how it feels on my lips then. But yeah, So you need to reapply for sure, because this is something that gets taken away with the food, with the things. I mean food, of course, or you are having a cup of tea, coffee, it gets taken away with the thing. You have to reapply. Obviously, not like the Lakme one, which is a matte finish that it provides. Not like that. You have to reapply, but I don't mind it because the formulation, it's really amazing, and it's more of a nudish pinkish tone that it gives. It's not that bright poppy color, no it's not, but at the same time it does not fade away the skin tone right there, because I know when I'm going back again to this thing, that means I love the shade and it doesn't really wash out to me, and some days I really love it to wear other than something matte. So for those days, this is, so yeah, this is the one called the Matte Tweak. I love this color. Let me give you a closer view of this one, and this is how it looks. My full face, it's a bare minimum makeup I did, and that's what my natural skin look like. So it doesn't really wash you out. As I have said, if you're a brown skin girl, go for it. You're gonna love this shade. It's a MAC Satin Tweak. So yeah, it's again on the higher end. I will be showing you the dupes as well of the MAC Murda Meher and this one in some other videos right then. But yeah, if you want to get hands on certain pinks which are on the high end, you can consider this fine. So yeah, that's the thing I really want to tell about this lipstick right there. So yeah, okay, so talking about the last shade, and my most favorite shade is the MAC Powder Case Liquid Lip Color. It is one of my, the formulation, the brand is something that I so connect to it, and it's my most favorite of them all in this video till now I am showing, because let me tell you, I have I'm very much dedicated to the formulation it provides. Even if you have this choppy and really dry lips, then on application this lipstick does so well. Even those who are looking at you won't see what's the difference, what your lips actually feeling like, because you feel it's so hydrated, and there's nothing best than that. And getting a perfect pink shade in this formulation is amazing. Now the shade I'm wearing here is called the Murda Meher. So if you know, you know, the Meher shade is being a cult favorite of all the matte users right there, because Meher, the shade is very good, very happening on there. It suits a white skin range, I can tell you that. But somewhere I never ended up liking MAC Meher that much, and I was really skeptical while buying this one, because I know I don't like Meher, because maybe the formulation I don't like, and the formulation and the color goes hands on hand. So one thing you don't like, you don't end up going to that lipstick again and again. Something like that. So I was very doubtful of getting hands on to this, because it's more the Meher, and I thought that somewhere the formulation is the formulation and due to the shade name is different, maybe I would end up liking it. And to my surprise, nothing more than that, I really love it, and you can see the color itself, how beautifully it covers all the blemishes, all those, skinny, flaky lips going on right there. It just heals you, it conceals everything, and this is a beautiful, even lip you get. And the color, the color from brown skin girl is amazing. Till now, I'm telling you repeatedly that not all pink colors look good on brown skin tone, but this is the one you really need to get hands on. I just love the formulation, the color. The color is all the video is all about, the pink color shades for brown skin tones, and this is one of them. I really love it. So of course, if you are, I know it's quite high end, it's pricier than what I have shown till now, but if you can get hands on, if you can save your money and you want to buy a really good formulated lipstick right there, then you should go for this Powder Kids Liquid Lip Color from MAC. So yeah, it's something I really enjoy wearing it, and I know my recommendations won't go bad for you guys as well, because I have tried and tested a lot of them. Then only I'm coming here to show it to you. So yeah, that's it for this video. I think that's all, and that were all my 5 shades right there. And if it's look good on me, I'm sure that you will be looking good too wearing these shades right here. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge fat thumbs up, and I will see you guys super soon. I promise I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.